Just be happy.
Okay, guess what? Today, 2 lucky Breyers get to come on a trip. Let's see. How about you two? Sham and Project Universe. Awesome! Alright, let's go. Yeah.
Sing it note for note. Don't worry.
Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No! We haven't even left yet. Are we? No. Don't even think about it. Or I will tell you when we're there yet. Okay. We're not there yet. That's right. That's scary. Gotta go down there to get to the beach. Oh. Where are we going? In there. What? Yes, best way for you to get to the beach. Fine. In you go. Here we go.
Just be happy. Landlord said your rent is late. He may have to lick the gate, but don't worry. Just be happy. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be pen.